Yeah. Yeah, this is a poster created by our creative head to post it in our social media, right? So she created this poster, which is good for Facebook dimensions, right? So the volunteers can post this directly in Facebook, but they are unable to post it in Insta. In that case, what you should do is open your Canva. 1 minute, I will share Canva. Yeah, this is Canva, right? So create a design, click on create a design. Okay, you will see the Insta post here. In case if you are unable to see the Insta post, type Insta post. Insta post, right? You will see all the Instagram dimensions, Instagram reels, video dimensions, Instagram story. Okay, whatever you want, you can select that dimensions, right? So now I am going to select Insta post. Okay, this is the dimensions for Insta post, right? So now the post created by our creative head, just upload that post. Click here, upload. Okay, upload media, device, and this is the poster, right? So upload it here and select that poster here, right? So now the poster dimensions are different and the Instagram dimensions are different, right? So just adjust this poster dimensions, right? So you can post directly this one to Instagram, right? So but if you want to change the background color, if the background color is in white, right? If you want to change the background color matching to this poster, then select here and select this background color and select. Okay, your wish. If you want to select the background color white, if you want to remain the background color white, that is fine, or else you can change the background color also like this, right? Your wish, whichever is comfortable but for you, you can do that one, right? So now I have selected this background color. Okay, and downloading this. Okay, this is PNG, and again please select the format also. If you want PNG, select PNG. If you don't want PNG, select JPG. Okay, or print format. If you want to print it as a flyer and take the hard copy, select the PDF print or PDF standard format, right? So now I am selecting PNG because this is the this will give a very good clarity when we post in social media, right? So now I'm going to select this PNG only, right, and download it. Yeah, once you downloaded it, open the Facebook page. This is a Facebook page. Select the page. Okay, Calm Counseling, right? Yeah, Calm Counseling Services. Okay, go to Publish Tools. Okay, Schedule Post, Create Post, Cancel. So already you have posted in FB. So now no need to select this. This is the FB and this is the Instagram, right? So select the Instagram and write something, whatever the content they told. Write that content here and photo. This is the Instagram, right? Write the content. Without content, Google will not crawl this one, right? And then if you want to tag this post to with few people, right? So you can check the tag. You are not exploring all the options it is showing, right? I'm sorry to say this, really you people are not exploring anything. Clearly it is showing tag and this one, and even in Canva also, if you take some time and explore, it will show you all the options, right? So you want spoon feeding, each and everything you want spoon feeding, right? So click on tag. Okay, Now tag people. Okay, and click here. So to whomever you want to tag, just tag. And now I'm writing my name, Jyotirmayi Jandhyam. So I have Jyotirmayi Jandhyam and Jyotirmayi Digital Marketing, right? So I'm targeting Jyotirmayi Jandhyam. Okay, and if you want to target someone else, Kiranmai Varigonda, Kiranmai Varigonda, Amina ji, Amina. Uh, it is showing Amina in these many people, but we don't know which is Amina ji's. Amina, Amina Nilofer Hussain. Maybe this is Amina ji's. I don't know, but I'm tagging this one, right? And then we can tag a few more people also. Sumati. I don't know. Sumati Pandian, right? Yeah. And we can tag Sushi also. Sushi and Vasavi. Vasavi Pumma. Like that, if you want to tag, you can tag people like this, right? And click on save. Okay. And if you want to write the location also here. If you want to mention this location as Hyderabad, okay, Hyderabad, it will show Hyderabad, Telangana, Hyderabad, TS, everything, right? So you select if you want to select the location, you can select the location also parallelly, right? So now click on publish. It is published, right? Now go to Calm Counseling Insta and check. It will be there in Calm Counseling Insta. Let me check. See, we just posted here. So it is here. You can check from your phone also, right? 4 seconds, 45 seconds, huh? Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, just I wrote type of post only because I don't have the content now. So write some content and post it here. Without content, don't post anything. And include hashtags. You know how to include hashtags. Please do include hashtags also while posting in Instagram. Okay, thank you.